chair.
Where's my chair?
Uh-huh.
I don't have a chair. I'm standing up so I can do your hair.
Okay.
You want me to do your hair?
Uh-huh.
How you want me to do it?
Look at my hair.
How you want me to do your hair?
Then got in my hair.
You want ponytails?
Uh-huh.
And what else?
For, rubber.
Rubber bands? And what else?
2 rubber.
2 rubber bands?
Uh-huh.
And what else?
Comb.
And you want me to do your edges?
Uh-huh. Do my edges.
Okay. And what else? You want some baby hairs?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and what else?
That's
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
That's my bead.
Yep. We'll do beads next time, okay?
Okay.
We'll do beads next time since we don't have a lot of time. What's good, loyal gang? So we're back to stay y'all with another video. So today, y'all haven't seen this setup in a while. We're gonna be doing Leah's hair today. So it's the end of the week. I just took out some old ponytails that she had in. So I decided to go ahead and record me doing her hair for y'all. Y'all really liked the last video, which was the first video I did doing her hair. So we're gonna start doing these more often. A lot of y'all compliment her hairstyles and stuff, so I'm definitely gonna start doing more hair tutorials and stuff on this channel. I know we haven't posted in a while, so we got a lot to update y'all on. It's gonna be a lot of updates coming for this channel, so y'all just stay tuned. I'm not sure when I'm gonna drop that video yet. I don't know, it's been kind of a lot going on. So I feel like we say that every time we come back, but it really has, y'all. So because YouTube is real picky when it comes to kids content and stuff, I think we're going to stick with the hair tutorials for a while. So I was trying to figure out how I want to style Leah hair. I know she wants beads because her sisters just got their hair braided with beads. But we really don't have a lot of time because we got to go pick the kids up. So I think I'm just going to do something quick. I think I'm going to do like a quick little ponytail style. If y'all followed me on my channel, then y'all know that I cut my hair off a year ago, y'all. So I've been trying to work with my hair. Y'all, I'm so proud of my little ponytail. We finally made it, y'all. When I tell y'all I cut all my hair off last year. So the fact that I can put it up in a ponytail now. So y'all gonna see me in a lot more videos. I'm kind of taking a step back from the wigs just because I don't know, I've been really liking my natural hair more. Like I really just been over the wigs. That says a lot coming from me, y'all. I'm a whole wig influencer and I'm over it. So all I'm doing is spraying some water on her hair and putting some of this leave-in conditioner. I love this, like just for moisturizing her hair. And I'm just combing it through. You saying bye-bye?
No.
You gotta show me your pretty hair first.
I don't want to say bye-bye.
Okay. You wanna do another video? Okay, you wanna see it? Look at your hair.
Look at my makeup. I already get my makeup.
You getting your makeup? What did you look at your hair?
Um,
Look, you got a bow in the back.
the what?
Look at the back. Turn your head, look at the back.
Look at my makeup.
Oh, you gotta put your makeup on? Okay. Go ahead, put your makeup on. Like that. There you go.
Thank you.
Ooh.
I feel so pretty.
Yeah, you look beautiful. Got it? Close it back. All right. Yeah, you look beautiful. Alright y'all, so if y'all want to see more videos like this, we're about to go ahead and do another video. Leah, y'all know she never wants to get off camera. So we're going to go ahead and record another video. Probably like a, what video you want to do?
Snack.
A snack? You just had a snack.
I
You want what?
want cookie.
A cookie? All right, so we're going to do, oh, I know why you asking for a cookie. She's seen those cookies that was downstairs. I'm telling y'all now, since Leah's home and I do her hair anyway, I'm just going to set the camera up right in her room, set the camera up, and we just going to do these hair videos for y'all because y'all really seem to enjoy these. She loved getting her hair done and getting real cute, so we're going to go ahead and record it for y'all. But yeah, so y'all send me some styles on Instagram or send it to Leah's Instagram. Make sure y'all follow her on there. Make sure y'all follow her TikTok page. Y'all, she had a snack. She was about to fall asleep and all of that. But we got through it. And her hair turned out really cute. We did like a little bun. Usually I leave it loose in the back. Or I just do like a puff. Or I just let it just hang. Ooh, your hair so long.
I can't also God.
Huh? You want to show them? Show them.
I got put it there.
You gonna turn your hair to the side? Turn it to the side. Show them the back. Ooh, your hair so pretty. Your hair so long. And pretty. Ooh, you're cute. You're cute. Ooh. You so pretty. You want to turn that way too? Show that side. Show that side. Ooh. Put your head down. Ooh, I love your little bun in the bag. You got a bun in the bag with a bow?
It's not a bow.
It's not a bow?
It's not in the bow.
Yeah, it's a bow.
I should stop finding the bow. I can't find my bow. It's my bow. I can't find my bow.
All right, you gonna say bye-bye?
Uh-huh.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.